Brought a look at that takeoff and brought a smile onto Shoaib Akhtar's face. Jack Callis not smiling there.
He might have snaffled that, he has. It was the short and delivery, he was going down the leg side a little bit. Matthew Hayden is disappointed as he strides away from the centre of City Field. Just a bit of glove there, Matty.
Oh, a lot of glove. Absolutely smashed it with the glove.
Matty wanted it there, he wanted it short, but just a bit late. Gone for 4.
20 for 1 it is.
I mean, there's a lot of people who've gone the whole life wanting to witness that, never got to see it in the flesh. And here they are. Here's a wicket.
Shoaib Akhtar. Akhtar has struck. That's a big wicket. They needed to break that partnership. The partnership was going on really nicely. That was the answer. Pick up a wicket or two. Bit of extra pace, I think, from Shoaib.
Yeah, no extra pace there, and we saw a few in the first spell from Shoaib that really took off. That one to Callis, but that one there onto Sangakkara a little bit quicker and just helped it on its way and caught down there by Mahela Jayawardene. So